Hey boys and girls, today for math we're going to continue working on our numbers 10 through 20. Y'all have been doing lots of good thinking and counting. Today our two learning targets are I can count and draw numbers 10 through 20 the Say 10 way. And our second target is I can use hide zero cards. Ooh, we have something fun today, hide zero cards to show numbers 10 through 20. Let's get started. Our first fluency game is going to be how many more to make 10. Miss Anki is going to show you a 10 frame with some dots. Your job is to count, think about how many more to make 10. You're going to put that number in your bubble, and when I say pop, you're going to pop that number, you're going to say that number you need to make 10. Let's try the first one together. Here we go. I'm going to model my thinking. I see 5 dots in my 10 frame. So I need 5 more. So in my 10 frame, right now, Miss Anki is going to draw my 5 more to make 10. 5 and 1 more is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we had 5 and we needed 5 more to make our 10. Next one. Good, count. Put your answer in your bubble. Pop. Very good. Did you say 1? Very good counting and thinking. We have 9. 9 and 1 more make 10. Good. Next one. Count, think, put your number in your bubble. Pop. Did you say 3? Very, very smart cardinals. We had 7, and we would need 3 more to get us to our 10. Count, think, number in your bubble, and pop. Did you say 4? I know you did. You are so good at counting and making 10. We have 6, so we would need 4 more to make the number 10. Good. Think, count, answer in your bubble, and pop. Yes, 2. We have 8, and 2 more gives us 10. Great job. Last one. Oh, good job. Ready? Pop. Yes, we only have 1, so we would need 9 more in our 10 frame. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1 and 9 made 10 that time. Oh, we have another one. Pop. Yeah, this one was tricky. You needed 6 more. We had 4. 1 more would be 5. And then we need 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. 4 and 6 made our 10. We're going to move on through these. And if you want to go back and try those, you can. But Miss Anki wants to move on to our next little fluency problem here. The first thing I want you to do is I want you to look at our dots. Think about how many you see in all. And then I want you to think about how you see that number. What parts do you see? Miss Anki is going to show you my thinking. When I look at these dots, I see a group of 5 and I see a group of 3. I see the parts 5 and 3 that work together to make my 8. 5 and 3 make 8. Part, part, and 8 is my whole. You might have seen this number a different way, and that's okay. Everybody's mind works a little differently. Let's try this one together. Think about your parts. Very good. Now this time Miss Knockan saw 8 a little differently. I saw 4 and 4. This time I saw 8 as 4 and 4. So if I were going to write a number bond for that, I would write my part, 4 and 4 to make my total, my whole of 8. Part, whole. Now, Miss Knockan is going to go through these, and if you want to go back and try these later, you can, to find your two parts of how you see the number 8. We're going to move on to a little counting game. You're going to see a full 10 frame, and then you're going to see a frame at the bottom that has some more ones on the bottom. We're going to count these the Say 10 way. Count this one with Miss Knockan. Say 10, 3. Say 10, 5. Yes, because we have a 10 frame that's completely filled, and then we have 5 extra at the bottom. So when we count that the Say 10 way, we would say 10, 5. Good. 10, 4. Ooh, give you some think time. What are you thinking? 10. You've got it. 10, 7. Yes, 10, 6. We have a 10 frame filled, and we have 6 on the bottom in our second 10 frame. Ooh, look at that one. 10, 9. 10, 8. Now, we are going, for our problem today, we're going to be reading our problem, and we're going to be drawing to show our whole. Listen to our problem. There are 18 students. Ooh, that's a big number. Let's circle that important number. 18 students. 10 girls and 8 boys. We have 10 girls, 8 boys. Show the 18 students as 10 girls and 8 boys. So you can use a whiteboard, you can draw paper and pencil. To save a little time, Miss Knockan is going to use my little people up here to show 10 girls and 8 boys. You can draw circles, you can draw stick people, but I want you to show me 10 girls, 8 boys. Are you ready? Let's show our 10 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, good. Miss Knockan is going to circle that 10. There's our 10 girls. And then it said we had 8 boys. So let's show our 8 boys. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so look at that. We have 8, 10, 8. We have the number 18. 10, 8 is how we say it the Say 10 way. Let's add our boys to our girls. We know we have 10 girls. Watch Miss Nakia. Let's move one boy at a time over. 10. Excuse me. Hold on 1 second. Let me erase that. Sorry about that. Let's move our boys over. So we have 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8. Look at that. We had 10. Let's see if Miss Nakia can move this over. We had 10 girls and we had 8 boys. That is the number 18. Look at that. These cards right here are called hide 0 cards because when you take your 10 and we take our 8 and we put them together, it hides that 0 of our 10 because the number 18 is really a 10 and 8 more, 8 extra ones. So that 0 kind of disappears. It's not there anymore. It's hiding because when we write the number 18, this is how we write 18. A 1 and an 8. But you know that 18 is really 10, 8. But when we write 18, we don't see the 0 anymore. We just see the 1 and the 8. We're going to move on. We're going to move on to some more numbers. We're going to say it the regular way, and then we're going to say it the Satan way. So we're going to say 14. And now we're going to say it the Satan way. 10, 4. Good, because we know that the number 14 is really a 10 and a 4. 19, 10, 9, 12, 10, 2, 16, 10, 6, 11, 10, 1, 15, 10, 5, 13, 10, 3. Yes, remember when we write 13, we push that 3 up, we hide that 0. So this is how we write 13, but this is how we say it the Satan way. 17, 10, 7. Now for the next part of our math today, you're going to work on a problem set where you're going to write and draw the number. We're going to use those hide 0 cards. Our first one's done for us. We have 10, 3. So look at your 10 frame. You have a 10 and you have 3. And when we put those cards together, 10, 3, we're going to slide that 3 over, and that is the number 13. So Miss Nakia is going to do one with you, and then you're going to do the other 2. You're going to try it by yourself. Okay, here we go. 10, 5. So we're going to draw. Miss Nakia is going to try my best. We're going to draw our 10. Good. And then in our next 10 frame, we're going to draw our 5. We know that 10, 5 is really the number, you got it, 15. 10, 5, 15. So your job is to look at your numbers the Satan way, draw them in your 10 frame, and then you're going to write the number the regular way. Y'all did such a good job. I want you to, maybe you can also build these numbers with your Play-Doh. You can start off the Satan way. You can make your Satan cards on index cards if you have some at your house. And then you can build these numbers on frames. You can use your dry erase board and draw them and practice